Here we are, Pembrey and Burry Port level crossing, Carmarthenshire. The time now is 16:04 on Tuesday, 22nd of July 2025. Also my birthday, by the way, if you don't already know. This will be for you 16:07, a 1 Victor 40 transport for Wales service from Manchester Piccadilly to Milford Haven. Installed new supply cubicle here. Soon to be upgraded to an MCBOD2. The NRS barriers are soon to go. I haven't actually filmed here in quite a while. One line 7:013. 197:013 to Milford Haven. Oh God. Not sure what happened there. Time now 16:16, this before your 16:17, 1 Whiskey 24 transport for Wales service from Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly. Oh no, it's 16:18 actually. Barrier bounce a bit too high. We've got 197:020. Thank you. 197:020 to Manchester Piccadilly. Oh God, did it again. Time is 16:23, just before your 16:26. 2 Bravo 69 transport for Wales service from Carmarthenshire to Pembroke, and it's not Pembroke Dock because of a problem on the track. So instead, they're all being diverted to Pembroke instead of Pembroke Dock. 197021. 197021 to Pembroke.